Okay guys, let's open Maya and explore one of the most important libraries used for scripting. It's Maya commands. This library gives us access to almost all scene operation through Python. We can create objects, modify objects, manage objects, objects attributes, hierarchies, and more and more. Let's open script editor and switch to the Python tab. If you're not visible, click the plus icon and create a new Python tab. It's important to note that the most of the functions in the Maya commands library directly mirror Mel commands. That means if you know the Mel version of a command, you will likely find a similar one in Python. Mel is a great reference and good start point when you are looking for Python commands for your scripts. So now let's do something simple and look at how it works in both Mel and Python. For example, in Mel, you can type just space locator and run. This creates a default locator in the scene. To make similar action in Python, you can type import Maya commands as commands and commands space locator and run. Okay, we did the same in the Python. Notice that in Python we should import library first, and for convenience I gave it a short name, cmds, so we can use it easily now. The command name is the same as in Mel, but here it's a function. In this case, the parentheses are empty, which means we are using default values. Okay, how to see what arguments we can pass to this function? You can use Maya commands library function is the help function. Help by name of function which we want to explore, and let's just print it to the console. This prints all available arguments and options for the space locator function. Let's try using some of them. For example, name and position. Okay, you will notice that this creates a locator with our name and place it at this position in the scene. However, the position is applied to the shape node, not to the transform node. It can be useful, but what if I want to see these values in transform node? Okay, let's now using the move command instead of position flag. Okay, this works. Now we have got the same as we can do if we just use the move tool. Yeah? But it works by Python only because the object we just created is automatically selected after creating. So if we try to move an object that isn't selected, it won't work unless we select it. So how to do move later when our object isn't selected? Now select it first. We can do this by Python too. We already have some locators in the scene, so let's select some of them and move by Python. Let's see how to do that. First select by the name and move it. So here we first selecting the object with replace true argument. It's necessary to clean previous selections, and then applying the move. Oh, okay. As I already said, we can use this library if we need to do some actions or sequence of actions already provided by Maya. In the future, we will return to this library when we write our tools. So, if you need to find necessary Python functions, you can use documentation, Maya commands documentation. The link will be in attachment. So, and we can find all functions here. For example, select. we can find description of this command and all flags for this function, or for example space locator. Or if you do some things in Maya manually, you can take a look at the console, and you will see the mail command here. Use command help for explore function arguments and options you can use for that. And of course, don't forget to import Maya commands at the top of every script when you are going to use it. Let's move on.